first time seeing one of these. Dang. That is wild. It's huge in person. Wow. Dude, the front scoops on it are huge. Wow, that's sick. Anyways, I'm gonna stop glazing that. Alright, what is up guys? As you guys saw in the last video, hooked up the adapter for the battery charger. Got the C-Tech charger over there. Cleaned up the garage a little bit last night. Got this nice little tool chest from my dad over the weekend. Very thankful for that. But anyways, got the battery charger hooked up, at least the adapter. And this can just stay in here, which is really cool. Got it connected to the ground and the positive here. So was charging it up a little bit. Not quite to 100%, but we'll get there. But we're heading to the gym. So this beautiful engine bay, man. I love the S55 engine. Just looks so good in my opinion. But without further ado, let's go to the gym. Hope everybody's doing well out there. It's Tuesday today. Almost halfway through the week. Had a pretty good Easter Sunday. Celebrating with the family, and good to get away from work for a couple days. So we're back to it. Overall, pretty good day at work. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Western Washington, so you know I can never complain about that. But we're heading to the gym, as always. Like I was saying earlier, I got that, finally got my battery charger hooked up. I've been meaning to do that for a long time now. And yeah, we finally got that. So that feels good. A little bit of insurance on the battery life at least. So. But yeah, not much to report on. I think plans for the car, I got my front lip and my rear diffuser coming in hopefully within the next couple weeks. The mold is in production right now. Oh, that M2 right there is clean. So anyways, I got the mold was in production last week. It should be finished up tomorrow, I believe. Yeah, so the production should be going in this week. Should take, he said, about 7 days to be fully built. 7 to 9 days, I think he said. But you know, week and a half, give or take. And then I got expedited shipping on that, so it'll take about a week to get those shipped out to me. And yeah, so I'm thinking hopefully 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. Had a little bit of a delay on that because the manufacturer that he goes with worked on a new mold for, I think it was the rear diffuser. So that took about a month for them to get complete. And yeah, small delays, but that's okay. Sometimes that happens with these things. you want to do it right? You know, you don't want to get some lame carbon fiber, and you want to go with somebody you trust. And sometimes it just takes a little bit of time to go with the better option, and that's okay with me. I'm in no rush. So. Once that's here, I've been working on saving money, so told myself I wasn't really going to get any more car parts for a little while, but I really want to get some coilovers. I've decided, you know, I'm going with Fortunatos, and man, I'm really close to pulling the trigger on those, but it's a big purchase, man. Like 2,500 bucks, you know, that's nothing to, you know, it won't break the bank, but like, you know, that's a pretty big mod for the car. So just want to make sure the time is right when I do finally pull the trigger on that. So, but once I get that, I'll have the carbon fiber kit all over, front, side, rear, and some people drive like idiots in here, dude. Front, side, rear. And then I'll get her dropped, and the fitment will be money, or hopefully right at the tire. I want like a 1 finger gap, but we'll see. So, and that is an M5 G90 right there. I really want to go check that out. Wow. I may have to go look at that. I think that's an M5. I'm pretty sure. Let's go see. Wow. It's my first time seeing one of these. Dang. That is wild. It's huge in person. Wow. Dude, the front scoops on it are huge. Wow, that's sick. Anyways, I'm gonna stop glazing that. But yeah, so that's it, right? I'm gonna get Fortunato coilovers eventually, take the springs off. You know, I got a 2 finger gap right now, and I'm gonna bring it down to 1. And the rear, it's not as bad, but I do want to bring it down a little bit more. So, yep, that's that. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. The journey continues. I'm gonna go get a nice lift in, stay healthy. Hope you guys are living good out there. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.